Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you can spend thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics you don't need. Stay with us and we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Sienna, this generation right here from year 2011 to year 2020. If you guys need to find where the relay for the power sliding doors is located, the one on the rear left and right side power sliding door, which relay controls that, where you can actually it's hidden, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, relays, fuses at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. And why it's important guys to always test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take things completely apart, we show you guys how to do electrical, mechanical, bodywork, a little bit of everything guys. If you have one of those vehicles that we're making videos on, subscribe. We'll put quite a few videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Altogether guys, on our channels we have more than 12,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars. Now, also if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way guys you do not waste your money and time, we'll share in our videos where you can buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, because some fuses guys and relays are specific, especially for that Toyota Sienna. You have those special fuses right here. You also have that special integration relay right here, and the other relays, we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping guys, because sometimes they could be also really hard to find. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the power sliding door relay, where you can expect to find it, we're going to demonstrate here now guys, okay, on that 2014 Toyota Sienna guys. Now you have two different fuse boxes in that minivan. They will be working just one, and that's right under the hood. So what you need to do, go ahead, open the hood facing the engine. On the right side right here you have a cover. Go ahead, open it, and once you do that you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout that looks like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So it is super important guys to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case guys you may put the fuse back together, and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all you have to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that guys. But when disconnecting the car battery guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000 guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. So the power sliding door relay. Now first, if you need to find the fuses for the power sliding door, we have a video on the channel that will teach you that. About the relays guys. Now first you have some relays here, and that special relay there. None of this is for the power sliding doors. There is very limited information about that, and that's why we are making this video. If you look at that thing guys, based on our experience here at the shop, that's an integration relay. It's a computerized relay with many functions, and most likely guys, okay, one of the integrated relays, okay, in that computerized relay is the power sliding door right there. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing that information. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.